Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my new 2020 Witches Roots box. Don't mind the chicks, they're just baby chicks. Alright, I love this box. I'm excited to see what my herb is this month. Angelica. Nice. Wait. Oh no, that's Angelite. I'm reading upside down. Angelite. Open Pathways is the theme. I've got an Angelite Book of Shadows artwork, which is really cool. Rosemary. Nice. Oh, wow. I love rosemary. Ooh, and a little deck. Divine Doors. So I use these as helper cards in my readings, and I absolutely love them. I have 5, and now I have 6. Yay! I love it. I love it. Woo, woo. I love it. I'm guessing this is the Angelite, which is cool. Love that. Here's the rosemary. Palo Santo. Incense. Open Doors. Nice. A beautiful beeswax candle. Alright, and probably an oil. Open Pathways. Beautiful, man, beautiful. It's got all sorts of herbs in it. It smells good. Smells a little bit, I can't really gauge what the smell is. So let me read this insert. Blind are those that cloud their minds with minuscule and judgmental thoughts, always focusing on those things that never serve them in the best light. It is so common for us to get overwhelmed by the current realities of our world that we easily forget that our psychic sight is yearning to be used. It is within our ability to trust synchronicities and signs from our guides that allow us to open doors of opportunity that were otherwise non-existent. In a world where it is so difficult to see beyond our current concerns, we rely on the intuition we have refined through our practice and ritual. We lean on our undeniable gift of connecting with other realms and noticing small hints and gestures. It is so important that we calm the mind, center the physical body, and ignite the energy surrounding us so that we can follow those doors that would have otherwise been locked and sealed forever. The magical items in this box are as follows. Rosemary. Used as one of the oldest forms of incense. It's prominent practitioner's companion. Guardian and protector. Cleansing. Dispelling negative and malevolent energy. The artwork for the rosemary. The Divine Doors Inspiration Deck. Reveals answers to your deepest reflections and inspired musing. Interesting. Open Pathways Magical Anointing Oil. Calming your mind, relaxing your senses, revitalizing your intuition. It has spearmint, rosemary, and sandalwood, and spearmint and rosemary herbs. Inside your oil, you'll find a Lumarian quartz, and they put some psychic sight magical oil from their personal cabinet of witchery. Angelite stone. Absolutely positive and supportive stone. Special companion on this journey. It brings peace and calm to any energetic situation. Book of Shadows reference page. Open Doors ritual incense sticks. Awakening mini spell candle. Providing you with silent and still time to awaken your intuition before any spiritual or energetic work. And then Holywood Palo Santo. Good for clearing space, therapeutic healing power, invokes protection, and infuses blessing into your space and area. Very cool. Love this box. This is one of my favorite boxes. I definitely love getting an herb every month. I mean, rosemary is a very common herb. I actually grow it myself, and so I have homegrown rosemary. but still I like the theme. I like the how everything goes together. I love Palo Santo. I can never have too much. I guess my favorite thing is the Witch's Moon art, as I probably said a lot lately. It's just perfect box, reasonable price, highly recommended to you. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.